Was he stiff like that when you picked him up?
Yeah.
No way, dude, was he?
Yeah.
He wasn't trying to bite or nothing?
No.
Do they usually run and stay stiff like that?
No, they usually run.
Can they shoot anything out their butt?
No, no, no.
I don't understand. They don't. Where's their bathroom at? Maybe this little guy has the plague.
No.
He could though, man. Where's the bathroom at?
It's right down there.
Maybe if we gave him a bug or something.
Nah, he got squished.
Does that look like he's squished or what?
Yeah.
But they're not usually that flat around the middle there?
No.
He's breathing and stuff. Maybe if we squished him the other way, it'd be alright.
No, it looks like he got bit.
Where? Where do you see bite marks? See, now if he got bit by a rat or something, he could have the fucking plague. I want to wash my hands if he's got the plague, dude.
The plague is transmitted by a flea, an enzyme in a flea.
But then the rats get it and they bite alligator lizards and I touch alligator lizards and I get the fucking plague, alright?
I don't think so, man.
Woo, boy!
Oh, he's fine. Alright, he was just cold then.
I want to get some shots of him too. I wonder how close I can get. Oh, Mr. Yeah. He's digging it. Oh, this one's gonna be killer, Mark. I got him fully like off the center of the frame. He's gonna be like the border on the frame. It lines up perfectly with the doorstop and everything.
Cool.
Together now. You know what? I saw this thing on KCET a couple weeks ago about this Swiss guy. And when he went into places, like when he first moved over here, he was like up in Oregon. And the way he went about photographing things, was that like it was real like sparse up there. So all I picked was 4 things like water, sky, simple shit, you know, like weeds and stuff, and got like really intense with not actually catching the weeds, but catching the wind blowing through them, so that you could actually see like the shape of wind and stuff.
I'll show you something cool. Hold on.
Is it running yet?
Yeah, it's running.
Oh, that's it? He's just standing still like that?
Yeah, but look at the
negative?
Yeah, isn't that cool? That'll show up.
Is this what's happening right now?
Yeah. Let me show you what else I can do. This other effect here.
The layer. Then in the dark room, he would burn it and dodge it. You know, like what burning and dodging is? Like when you're developing it on a larger, you can just like run your hand in front of it like for certain amounts of times to get light to play on one and not on the other. And then he started doing like he went back to Illinois and started getting into like the country shit again. But now he's had the first experience of like the breeze going through the grass, and then just fucking LA, total opposite, like everything everywhere, mass layering. So then what he did, he's just go out, and instead of even like saying, well, what am I gonna shoot now? He would just start on one or the other. I think we're on stereo cable or something like that. But anyways, intense. And I'd like to do something like that with just like, I got 36 shots in here. Maybe just do like 6 by 6, you know?
Go for it.
I'll start out with the dog shit. Wait, it smells like shit.
I know.
Oh, the lizard's bumming out, man. We're just doing one thing to it after, like, the next to this guy. Putting smelly fucking bugs by him. This is killing. Look at it. God, my nose is numb. Is it poisonous or what, dude?
No, it's not poisonous.
Seriously, my nose is fucking numb though now.
It's just a very strong pheromone.
What is it?
A pheromone.
What's that?
It's a strong chemical secreted by his... There's some nodes in the base of his abdomen.
Dude, I could fucking die from this shit, man.
No. You couldn't.
But my nose is actually numb, like I fucking, like, got it wet and stuck Coke on it or something.
You got a heavy dose of it. Don't worry about nothing. Nothing.
I'm just gonna waste them and put them together just like that guy did, fucking one right after the other.